Welcome. So, how do you use Bitmoji on your Canva? Let me show you an example how I use Bitmoji on my Canva. These are Bitmoji image of me, and they quite look very interesting. That my students. This is an example over here that my student will find it very interesting. This is also a picture of me and more. So let me teach you how to create that. So I'm going to a new page. If you scroll down, if you can't find it on your own, you need to click on more. So when you click on more, you will see the word Bitmoji. So when you click on that word Bitmoji, it is from this part. I've already registered mine. It will ask you to actually insert your Snapchat ID. So you need to download Snapchat to actually make that done. So it is quite very easy. I can type anything. Maybe I can type the word heart, and it is going to bring something for me based on heart. This is a splashing of color image. Thank you image. I'm thinking image. So many images. Just search them. Maybe I am teaching maths in the classroom, and I need something to talk about maths. I want to welcome my children to the math class. This is what you can use. Very interesting, and I would like you to give this a try in your classroom. So Bitmoji is very interesting, and it is for every teacher out there to use in creating endless materials for learning. So let me use the word welcome. There are a lot of welcome materials also over here, and this is something that can be used in the classroom for stick on the wall, stick on children's work, and a lot of more. So give it a try. To save it is very simple. Just click on top over here, and you click on download and you save. Thank you.